Hi guys, welcome to our new video, and this time we will do an unboxing of all fake jersey. Nothing of this jersey are original, are only Thai version, only fake, only replay, and now we will see just one by one the important thing to see. So let's start. This is the box because when you buy a big quantity of jersey, uh, you need of something like that. Usually are in a sack. If you buy just one, is a really small box. This is a Brescia jersey with the name set of Baggio of season 2003-2004. Now Ronaldo, Totti, Nakata, and Cannavaro, Real Madrid, Del Piero, Juventus, one more time Del Piero, and Maldini, AC Milan, Ronaldo, one more time with the Brazilian nationality, Totti, and Giannini, that is a really important Italian football player in AS Roma. Now we will do a really quickly view of each jersey because we started to do every research about this jersey, and in next week, next month, you will see all the specifically videos of each jersey. So this is Ripley, and the name set, how you can see, is really similar. And the most important things is that when you see the sides behind the small label that is here, you can see double XL with number 2, and this is full. Is every time is full. If you see a small label like that, is every full. Also the logo Adidas is terrible, but we will go to see all together. Now this is just a fast view. This is a really beautiful patch, not bad. But we made the video just with this jersey. We will make the movie with the audio, the cutter, and we will upload in the next time. This is the label standard, is horrible with root sports, and is impossible that an original jersey has got this label with root sports. Okay, the name set is not bad. Name is not exactly that, but number is really similar. Now we'll go to Del Piero with a Juventus football jersey. Now I want to remember you that we don't do this video just to tell you to not buy that or buy that. Depends what you want and what you need. If you need the original jersey, you have to know the difference. In this case, the name set is not correct. It's not exactly this one. The label also in this time with the 2XL, the number 2 is terrible. So we don't wanna sell you this jersey. We just wanna explain you the difference. And when you know the difference between replay and original, you can choose what buy with your budget, with your disponibility, with what you want to do with that. If you wanna play football with that, if you wanna have a collection, a present, what you want. So this time the label is Lotto is not so bad. It's similar to the original. Sure, it's not original, but it's not so bad. It's standard, but it's okay. Now, this jersey is really particular because it's got a story, a very important story. This of the season 97-98. the 30 jersey, and this pink are the color of the society Juventus. Also this time is double XL. How you can see the logo of Kappa. The man on the right is a little taller. That's right, but it's okay. Now we will do a video exactly on this jersey, but you can see a main view of details, of characteristics. And in this time also we has got a label not so bad. Is wrote made in Italy, or you can see 100% polyester, no problem. So this time with Real Madrid, with Cannavaro jersey in Real Madrid, the season 2006 to 2007, when you won the Golden Ball for the season in Juventus, that with Calciopoli gone to Serie B. And this jersey is really, really perfect. It's really, really similar at original version. Or you can see all the detail, the label also. And also in this case, we will go to see the original version, but the material is not bad. Just a little problem with the logos when it's wrote Adidas, that is not perfect, but for the rest is impressive. Also the material are synthetic, but are the same quality of material of original. But in this time, the replay is the for motion is the quality of player, football player, the jersey used from football player. And this is the label, that is a standard label of Adidas jersey, that is not bad. Usually there is the code that you can use to check if the jersey is original. We will do a video about that when you can check that. So now with Nakata jersey in with the Parma, and this jersey is not so bad. The season 2002-2003, but this patch of 90 years old of the society is embarrassing. It's really bad. The label this time when it's sports is not is not legal. Is embarrassing, really. But apart this patch, the quality of jersey is not so bad. The name set is correct. Logos are okay. Patch is really similar, but inside we have a label that is the standard label of Parma jersey. We will see in other videos that this is the style, the font of Puma jersey. But now we go to Brescia with Roberto Baggio. Brescia with the Kappa jersey. And I'm sorry because in this time we don't have the original version, so we cannot do the video of difference behind the two version. I'm really, really sorry. It's really difficult to find that, but the material is not so bad. Original material was Kappa material, and in the first 2000 didn't was so good. The combat version I don't like very well. I don't like so much, but depends. So this is the jersey, and in the label this is the correct label usually, because it's wrote XL, and in another jersey we will see that is wrote 3XL, that is not, it's fake. It's really, really fake. This is the label that is a standard label also, just is wrote Kappa inside, but this is not the Kappa version of label in 2003 or in this period. Now we go to Rome with Francesco Totti jersey, Ever Kappa version. It's starting to rain here, but it's okay. So This is important because we made the video of this jersey with the original jersey, and we will upload in the next weeks. And so here is all fake, because the logo is fake. The is wrote kappa, and it's fake because usually is wrote 3 times, not 5. Logo in Italy is similar. It's not so bad, but it's not that. The label kappa is not correct. Is really fake. I'm sorry, but is not that. And also the material and the color is not so correct. Also this, in the usual label of kappa, is wrote there the sides, but it's not wrote with the number 2, but the double X for tell you double XL. So ever with a Totti jersey, ever as a Roma, but now this is one of the most beautiful jersey of AS Roma history. So we will see the video also of that of 98-99 jersey, and also in this case the label sport is horrible. It's really horrible. However, the label double XL wrote like that is not correct. The logo is okay. The other logo is in the just point. It's okay. Patch is terribly. It's really embarrassing. The sponsor in Italia is not so bad, but could be better. And the label inside is ever a label standard of Puma jersey, and is not a Kappa jersey label, but it's okay. After we go to see a video just for that. Now, AS Roma one more time with a Giannini jersey. This is the season 91-92, and this is really a beautiful jersey. Original and mature jersey of this season is really spectacular, and we will see the video of that. Now the label is new. Is not possible made in China. Yes, 100% polyester. And logo Adidas is not so bad, apart the first D that is near the E, that is a lot not correct, but okay. And the quality of the material is ever plastic, all plastic. And the label inside is a usually label of Adidas, actual Adidas jersey. And for going to the stadium is perfect for me, just for me. Now Brazil with Ronaldo jersey, and guys, this jersey is spectacular. This is really different. Understand original and fake. There are just small detail, because also original version is made in Thailandia. This is the logo of the World Cup of 2002 in Korea and Japan, that Brazil won with the 2 goal in final against Deutschland of Ronaldo, with Oliver Kahn, that was really happy in that match. So this is the label, and it's not bad. It's really not bad, with the small label Nike with the code, and here's it's not so bad. I'm sorry, this is my smartphone. And so we will see the difference and the quality. But now we go to Ronaldo, but this time in Real Madrid, and also this time the name set is perfect, is correct, is beautiful. And also in this time, in this case, sorry, the material is perfect, the quality is perfect, is really different, difficult understand the difference. The label is correct, I think, is wrote 2XL, that is wrong, but the rest is not bad. the logo of Real Madrid is not so bad. Adidas logo is ever a lot uh, not perfect. The patch is a lot okay. The E and the first D is a lot strange, but okay. Sponsored Siemens is really beautiful, and also in this case. The inside the label is a standard label of Adidas, like every Adidas jersey. It's a label of four paper, and in this case we have to see exactly what is wrote in the region. But so this is the main view of what is waiting for you in the next weeks and month. I hope to help you and that are important. There's information for you. If you have some question of if you want to ask us something, you can write us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and is all. If you want to ask information about other jersey, you can write what jersey, which season, and which football team do you want that we go to analyze, and is all. So this is our information, and enjoy. Bye guys, see you.